Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Commander bundle from Avatar: The Last Airbender. So let's open this up here. So this is actually my second one, and just decided to re-roll, see what I could get from the Commander pack. So let's bring this out. So nothing left in the box there. Got this cool art of Katara and Sokka. So let's go in here. Nothing at the top. Okay, is that the Commander? Oh yeah, okay. So that's the Commander pack right there. And you see what we have right there for the art. So gonna be going through this a little bit quicker than I normally would. So let's open the Commander pack first, see what we get. So you got the standard arcane signet, like just the signature Commander cards with the Avatar art. And let's see what we get here. And then you get the Soul Ring, same thing. You get Aang, just Avatar artwork. Boom, Swiftfoot Boots. So those are the three cards that come, with every Commander bundle. And then the next two are going to be the ones that are going to be different from every bundle. So let's see what we get. Ooh, Mystical Tutor. Okay. It is blue. Search your library for an instant or sorcery card, reveal it, then shuffle and put that card on top. Okay, nice. And then, boom, Worldly Tutor. Ooh, 2 tutors. Okay, so this is the green. Search your library for a creature card, reveal it, then shuffle, then put that card on top. So just two, different ways to find cards in your library, and then you can put it on top. So yeah, pretty happy that I got those two. Sick. Okay, and then what comes in the rest here? So you get the cool little life tracker here, or you can use it for whatever. I mean, if you're able to get like 41 counters on something, that's pretty fantastic. But here you go. You have this here. Love it. And then you have your collector booster. I'm not going to open all the packs on this video, but you have what, 9 play boosters, and then you have your lands. But we will be opening up this collector booster, so don't you worry about that. So let's give you a quick look at the lands here. If you guys have not opened one before, this is actually my second Commander bundle. So let's just go through this somewhat quickly. So then you have the holographic versions of the lands, and then you have the non-foils. Okay, so lands right there. And let's open 3 of these play boosters, and then we'll go to the collector. Let's open this one real quick. I'm just gonna jump straight in. And if you're interested in any the cards, you can feel free to pause. Ooh, okay. Got Iroh, Grand Lotus. This is a 6-drop. Has Firebending 2 during your turn. Each non-lesson, instant, and sorcery in your graveyard has flashback. The flashback cost is equal to that card's mana cost. So you could just play any instant or sorcery from the grave, as long as you pay the mana cost. That is really sick. During your turn, each lesson card in your graveyard has flashback 1. Flashback 1. Each lesson card, so it doesn't even specify like instants or sorceries, just each oh, that's pretty cool. I mean, I'm pretty sure just lesson cards are just instants and sorceries anyways, but just the fact that you just have to pay 1, that's crazy. And it's a 5/5 creature. Wow. Iroh is awesome. Ooh, okay, and you have Searing Blood. So here you have one of the cards that, the art is pulled directly from one of the episodes. So that's pretty cool. Pay 2. Searing Blood deals 2 damage to target creature. When that creature dies this turn, this deals 3 damage to target creature's controller. So yeah, deals double, or 2 times the damage. I mean, 2 plus 3 if you're actually able to destroy the creature. So here are, that was a really good, just play booster. You got 2 rares, and yeah, that's pretty awesome. Oh, here's a lesson. Airbend, non-land permanent, and more lesson cards here. I might build an Iroh deck when this is said and done. So I'm just gonna put the rares on top so we could just show you all of them that we pull. Okay, so next one here. Yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to beat that pack from the play booster, but we shall see. Let's just keep going here. Okay, Realm of, is it Koi? Realm of Ko. This land enters top unless you control a basic land. Add black, pay 3 and 1 black. Tap, create a 1/1 colorless spirit creature token with this token can't block or be blocked by non-spirit creatures. That's pretty cool. And then we have Sokka, Vigilance. This is actually a really good card in the pre-release that I've attended. Toph. And the Penguin. Azula just hanging out there. This is also a pretty good card. Glider Kids was good in the let's see, Badgermole. We want the Badgermole Cup, not just the Badgermole. And that's that one. So that is pack number 2. All right, pack number 3 before we get into the collector booster here. All right, let's see. Ally token, Meteor Sword, Hollow. Oh, Aang, Swift Savior. That is sick art right there. Has flash, flying, 3-drop. When Aang enters, airbend up to 1 other target creature. Waterbend 8 to transform Aang. It is a 2/3 creature, and then when it transforms, boom, goes to this legendary creature, spirit. After our spirit ally, reach, trample. Whenever this attacks, put a +1/+1 on each tap creature you control. So I'm assuming the logic of how you use this is, you know, have every creature's attack alongside this, and then you get 1/1 counters on it. That's, wow, that's pretty sick too. I mean, what is this? White, blue. So you can make a pretty cool commander deck with this. Interesting. Yeah, no, I like it. That's a cool card. All right, then we'll just keep going through here. Yeah, I'm impressed with the play boosters themselves. Like, I'm not even sure. This is a good card as well. How well I feel about the collector booster coming up. Okay, yeah, I'll show you guys again all the rares and stuff that we pull. Just gonna set this one. Let's set it up here. That looks good in the video. Okay, collector booster. So let's see what we could pull. Wow, if I could actually open it. All right, let's try it. Come on. Oh wait, all right, open it a little bit here. Okay, let's hope this means that I actually pull something good if this is such a failed opening attempt right here. Okay, Ally. Oh, Ty Lee. Okay. Azula, Flame of Ember Island. I don't think I've seen this version. Okay, it is a 4-drop. You tap, destroy target creature of your choice, then destroy target creature of an opponent's choice. Activate only during your turn before attackers are declared. That's pretty sick. It's a mythic, 1/1. Interesting. Look at that. Wang Shi Tong, all knowing. Okay, so this isn't the librarian version that I was actually after. It is a 5-drop. When this enters, target non-land permanent owner puts in this. Wow, I cannot read. When this enters, target non-land permanent's owner puts it into the library, second from the top or on the bottom. Whenever 1 or more cards are on. Wow, I cannot read. Whenever 1 or more cards are put into a library from anywhere, create 2 1/1 spirit target creatures. That's basically it. Let's just keep going. Ooh, this video is getting a little bit longer here. Fire Nation Salvagers. Airbend Temple. Okay, I actually traded away this card, so it's nice that I'm able to get one back from this set. There we go. It's currently like 3 in the morning as I'm recording this, so a little bit tired, and my reading abilities are not where they should be, just normally. But yeah, there you go, bunch of hollow cards. Kyoshi Warriors. Okay, wow, no, this is a sick opening. Let's see, let's get all my rares here from that. So I would say this is probably the best pull from this. I mean, I haven't looked at value-wise or anything, but just seeing it looks pretty sick. And then let's pull up all the rares that we got here. These two, this one, and Aang. So yeah, just real quick again, showing you guys all of these cool cards. But yeah, the Commander bundle is awesome, and I'm in love with the Avatar set. If you haven't already, definitely check it out.